Okay, my friends from the YouTube, once again, this is Mr. Hernandez from Galdero Repair. I'm bringing you this other video tutorial about how to find out that a pulley is in bad condition, is making noises. In this case, the customer told me that the bell is making or the pulley is making a lot of noise, or the motor is making a lot of noise. They didn't know why, but they said after a few minutes it will disappear. So it was last night when they brought it to me. I like to do this test when it's cold in the mornings. Why? Because if a pulley doesn't have grease no more into the bearing in the morning, metal is cold, so I start making that pitchy noise. Once it get hot, it goes away, not completely, but it goes away a little bit more, a little bit less noisy. Usually people just squirt water through the bell when it's working, when the car is on. I don't like that because I don't know. I don't think that's the proper way. I always do in the mornings when I get a customer with those kind of issues. I do in the mornings, crank it up, loud noise. I said, okay, let's get the bell out. So I took the bell out and I started moving the pulleys. In this case, I guess this is a solid pulley that comes with the water pump, but still, this one has inside some sort of bearings for the shaft. It's called shaft bearing for the water pump. That seems to be okay. I shake it, it feels firm. But when after I did that and I did the other ones like the compressor, everything was fine. And then I did the idle pulley, and you can see very clear. It's not spinning straight, plus that noise. Imagine that with the high RPMs. This is by hand and you can hear very clear. Now use a couple fingers and start shaking it, and you can see I can move it with my fingers. Supposed to be solid like this one. If it's moving side to side, that's pretty good indication that this one is bad. So I'm gonna replace it and see what happens. Just remember, this is my own way to do it. I'm not saying that you have to do the same way, but I just remember in the mornings when it's cold, that's the best way to find out where this noise is coming from. Take a look on the bell if it's spinning correctly, and check on the pulleys if they're like wobbling or shaking side to side, and get the bell out. Other people use like a hose, long hose, and start pointing the hose to here, put that in your ear, their end over here, and start listening. And yeah, that's acceptable because I have done that too before. But if you are not sure what's going on, take the bell out, do like I did it. Spin the pulleys and listen to them. Shake them side to side, and then if there is any doubt about the shakiness or the noise, just replace it. Don't hesitate, just do it. So that way you can eliminate one more problem, or if it was the problem, then you finish your job. Thanks for watching my videos, and I hope you like them. Keep subscribing. Like I said, my channel is going to be English and Spanish, so if you like to subscribe, don't hesitate, and just give me a like if you like it. That's the way I do it. If you want to do it, it's fine. If you want to follow my strategies, it's fine too. This is one of my best ways to do it. People do different ways. This is the best way to me. Thank you very much. Have a good one.